Hi guys, Frances here, and today I'm joined by Megan.
Hi.
And we're here to show you what is inside your New Zealand September box.
Yes. So this month our theme is Spring Shake-Up, so it's all about getting some new exciting bits in to get excited for spring.
Yeah, so really excited to show you guys all of the goodies that we have on board this month. There's some really good stuff, so I'll get straight into it. So the first product that we have, and I hope you all seen this and have chosen your shade, but if you haven't, don't worry because they're both gorgeous colors, is the Tartist Lip Paints. So these are from the brand Tarte, and they're liquid lip paints. As you can see, I'm wearing the color Bestie.
And I'm wearing Vibin'.
Yeah, and they're both really gorgeous colors. These are really long wearing, transfer proof, and they dry so quickly when you put them on the lips.
And they're really full coverage, so you get like a nice coat of color without getting any patchiness or anything, so that's good too.
Yeah, so really gorgeous products, and we can't wait to see you all taking pictures in them. And this month you will also all be receiving a custom sleeve on your box. So
as part of our collaboration with Tarte, we have this cute little Tarte X Bellabox sleeve. So we are excited for you guys to snap some pictures of this and definitely tag us in them. We'd love to see
your photos. Yeah. Cool. So what product do you have for us, Nikki?
So the first one I have here is from Burt's Bees. And they're lip balms. They're 100% natural, paraben free, which is great. And there's 2 flavors or varieties that you could get.
And they both smell so good.
So there's a strawberry or a wild cherry. And these ones are great. I actually love these lip balms. I have one in my office drawer, one beside my bed, one in my handbag.
You can't have too much.
Collect all the flavors, honestly. So yeah, we're really excited for you guys to try these ones out too.
Yeah, and they go well with the lip from Tarte because you can wear them, put them on before just to nourish your lips.
Yeah, get a little bit moisturized and then pop your lip paint on. Good to go.
So the next product that I have from you guys is from the brand Weleda. Now, if you have been a Bellabox member for a little while, you will be familiar with Weleda because we have sampled them before. And this month, you will be receiving a pomegranate regenerating body oil. So it's a really gorgeous product. It smells delicious. And the pomegranate also has antioxidant properties. So it's really going to firm your skin and just help your skin look really glowing. And so at the end of this campaign, or at the end of this month, you will also see on our Instagram, we're going to be running a competition where we ask you what is your favorite Weleda product that you've tried in the last 3 months, and you can win the full pomegranate range. So a very exciting competition there. So keep an eye out for that.
So the next product I have is the Coconut Milk Hydrating and Nourishing Silk Sheet Mask from Lonvita Light. Yeah, that was right.
It's quite a mouthful, but it's a gorgeous brand.
Yes, so good. So this is moisturizing and hydrating, and it'll leave you with a brighter complexion, which is great. And keep an eye out on your product card, because if you do fall in love with this, which we think you will, there is a little bit of a promo on there, so you can get a bit of a discount, a bit of a promo on buying the full-size product. So be on the lookout for that as well.
So I actually use these products all the time, and they have coconut milk in them, and just feels so good on your skin.
So super nourishing.
Definitely excited for you guys to try that one. Next up, I have 2 products here, and you will be receiving either or. So just keep in mind that you will receive either one of these 2. The first one is from L'Occitane, and it is their Immortelle Overnight Reset Serum. So we sampled this one in our Australian box last month, and you guys saw it and loved it and wanted to try it. So this month, some of you will get to try it. It is a oil in a serum, and it's really great to replenish your skin overnight, and then you'll wake up with glowing skin. And the other product that we have that you may receive is from Jalique, and it is their signature moisturizing lotion. So Jalique is a gorgeous Australian brand. I love them. They have really nice ingredients inside, and this one has cedar bud, which smells so good. And it's also just really nice and lightweight, so you can wear it in the morning before you put your makeup on. So you will be receiving either one of these 2 products this month.
Excited for you guys to try those ones. And then finally, we do have the little sample sachets that you'll get, either again one or the other. You'll either get the L'Oreal Pure Clay Purity Mask or the Palm Olive Body Moisturizer. So we're excited for you to try those ones out as well.
So that wraps up all of their goodies inside our Spring Shake-Up box this month. We can't wait to see which shade you guys get. Sorry, just muffling that up. And if you're not a member yet, make sure you sign up. As well.
And definitely remember to tag us or hashtag Bellabox in any of your pictures, because we'd love to see them.
Cool. Bye guys.